Which exit?
Third exit.
Okay.
Here again, merging.
Okay. Where are we looking then?
First center mirror and then right mirror.
Okay.
And make sure to keep it in my lane.
Okay.
There's a vehicle coming fast.
Yeah, he is. So give him way. It's fine. Keep you on the left. Leave him. It's fine. Good. So we check in our mirrors. We remain on the left side. If he's coming with the fast speed, just let him. Always give way in this situation
Yeah.
because he's forcing now.
Yeah.
You got the priority because you are on the left.
Yeah.
But if people do silly stuff, ignore them.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, look at the floor marking and remain on the left in your own lane.
Okay.
Until floor marks finish, then the roads become one, okay? Which way are you going?
I have to make third exit.
Okay.
Keep it right.
Fine.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, low lane.
Which way are we going?
Right
Go
lane.
right on the roundabout
Okay.
and take
As
the third
soon you
exit.
see the roundabout sign, start your routine for the
Okay.
right turn.
Okay.
Okay? Because if there's no road on your right, then signal. Check
Okay.
your mirrors and signal.
Yeah.
Why we signal on time?
To give other users what we are doing, pretending
Yeah.
what we are doing, and
We tell them early our intentions.
intentions.
Okay? Good. Keep going ahead. So our test route is nearly finished. Next to the test route center, we're gonna park up on the left if there's any safe space.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead.
After 200 yards,
Can you see the
you
red
have
car on
reached
the
your
left
destination.
before fish and chip shop?
Yeah.
Maybe if there's space, we're gonna pull up to the left behind the red car. Yeah, there is space.
Yeah. Past this.
Here.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, come to the left, park up. Yes, that's it. You park up so we can come out easily then. Leave your space, good space in middle, okay? Whenever you parking. Park the car. Okay, your test route is finished. You made only 4 minor mistakes. First one, can you tell me which one is first?
I made a mistake there in the roundabout. Kept the first lane instead of first lane. I took second.
Okay, what about second?
Second, the oncoming traffic I did 2 times.
Second mistakes on the when you turn left on 20 road. Remember, you steered on the left for no reason. There was a parked car.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So big steering on the left. So I give you minor for that. What can you tell me about third mistake? Next roundabout.
Next roundabout.
Yes.
I made the signal light to the
Yes.
right. Yeah.
You,
I
you
should have
signal
done
for no reason.
Yeah.
So when you're going ahead, we need signal on approach.
Yeah. As I about to come to
As
the
we
next-
approaching, for example, that's a roundabout. If we approaching, we going ahead, we need signal on
when-
approach.
on approach we don't.
And you were signaling.
Yeah. I was.
That's your mistake.
Yeah,
So
I
when
was-
we signal, when?
After like 3 o'clock.
After
The
first exit.
After first exit, I.
Then. Okay.
Yeah, I thought I turn in.
What is
no
your
exits.
third mistake? No, fourth, sorry.
I think it was the same that I.
Steering,
Steering.
yeah, on that 20 road. You big steered, you went really close with the park car. You were
Yeah.
only thinking for oncoming cars.
I did 2 times.
So only 4 minor mistake, no major mistake, which is good sign. And I'm happy with the result. Are you okay with this?
Yeah, you taught me much about these
Yeah.
things that I need to focus on.
Especially
regardless.
meeting situation.
Yeah, I have to be patient and steer slow.
Yeah.
Please, my brake, and I just slow down and brake. Give priority.
Good.
No need to hesitate.
No, you don't need hesitation, especially if the road is like this. This is a meeting situation road. If the road is like this, you are in middle and there's approaching big one, just slow down and stop.
Yeah.
Let him go, but don't quickly steer to the left.
Okay.
You're gonna scare your examiner because he don't know you,
Yeah, I know.
and he's gonna think he's going more to the left and he's gonna hit this car.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from now, we go ahead from here, and we're gonna practice